Good morning students, welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 5th chapter, that is understanding elementary shapes. So students, in previous classes already I have told you what are the perpendicular lines, okay, and also I given that examples about that and how it is classified, how that it is equality and how that smaller line segment and how it is perpendicular. Already I have explained about that two line segments and with two lines. But students, today we are going to discuss about that the classification of the triangles. What is the triangle? It is a small least number of sides closed by that a polygon. Yes. So that means see, a closed figure having three sides is called a triangle. A closed figure having three sides or closed by three line segments, it is called a triangle. Okay students, so these triangles are different types, okay, according to their sides and according to their angles. It is classified the two ways. One is based on the sides, they are different, and based on the angles, they are different. So let us start that about that what are the classification of triangles in this video. Friends, observe here classification of the triangles. Triangles are classified in the following two ways. One is according to their sides. How their sides were three, that is difference. According to their angles also, the triangles are classified again. So first of all we will discuss classification of a triangle is based on the sides. Classification of the triangles based on the sides. There are three types. According to their based on the sides, triangles are classified into three types. One is scalene triangle, second one is isosceles triangle, third one is equilateral triangle. Okay, first one is scalene triangle, second one is isosceles triangle, third one is equilateral triangle. So these are based on the sides. Okay, so first of all one by one we will discuss. First of all we will discuss what is the scalene triangle. Scalene means if that no sides are equal, no two sides are equal, or other we can say also a triangle having three sides are different. Okay, a triangle in which all sides are different length, that means the three sides lengths are different. Okay, so that is called as a scalene triangle. No equal. Observe friends, I have given that one A B C one triangle, one 5 cm, one 4 cm, one 3 cm. That means three are the different sides, different length. Okay, the lengths are different, no two sides are equal. Okay, so that is called as a scalene triangle. AB not equal to BC not equal to AC, that means 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. Like this triangles if you find out, we can say it is a scalene triangle. Next, second one is isosceles triangle. Friends, isosceles triangle means a triangle in which two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. If that we will find out that two sides are equal, then we can say it is an isosceles triangle. That means, observe friends, a triangle in which two sides are equal is known as isosceles triangle. Observe, AB is equal to AC. Here 5 cm, it is also 5 cm. So if the two sides are equal, then that is called as what? Isosceles triangle. We have in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Observe here friends, here AB is equal to 5 cm, AC is equal to also 5 cm. So this type of triangle is called as a isosceles triangle. Next we will discuss about that. What is that friends? Equilateral triangle. Okay. Okay friends, now we will study about the equilateral triangle. Same like equilateral means what? Now all sides are equal. If a triangle having all sides are equal, that triangle is called as a equilateral triangle. Okay, so a triangle having all sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. You should see, observe here please, 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. That means three sides are equal. If three sides are equal, then that is called as equilateral triangle. Okay, if two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. If that no sides are equal, that is called as a scalene triangle. Did you remember friends? According to their sides, their triangles are classified into three types. One is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. So scalene triangle means no two sides are equal. That means all sides are different. If the two, that is called as a scalene triangle. If two sides are equal, that is called as a isosceles triangle. If the three sides are equal, that is called as a equilateral triangle. Okay friends. So AB is equal to 5, BC is equal to 5, AC is equal to 5. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So three sides are equal. Friends, now we will discuss about that classification of a triangle based on the angles. These are we have studied it. Classification of the triangle based on the sides. But students, today we are going to discuss about that classification of triangle based on the angles. Angles wise, the triangles, how many types? Students, there are three types. Okay, one is acute angle triangle, second one is right angle triangle, third one is obtuse angle triangle. Already I have explained to students what is the acute angle. Acute angle means what? Now the angle is lie between 0 and 90. Acute angle means that angle is lie between 0 and 90. What is that? Right angle triangle. Right angle means if that measurement of the angle is 90 degree. What is the obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means the angle lie, that means more than 90 degree, okay, and less than 180 degree. That is called as obtuse angle. So what are that this triangle about related we will discuss. Classification of triangle based on the angles. There are three types. One is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and a obtuse angle triangle. First of all, we will study acute angle triangle. What is that? Now, a triangle having all angles are acute. Acute means that angle 0 and 90 between. Okay, that angle is, this is theta, 0 and 90 degree between. This I have written shortly. This is known as acute angle triangle. That means angle A, angle B, angle C is less than 90 degree. Observe here I have given also example. Here 45 degree, it is less than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree. It is also 75. It is less than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree. 60 degree, it is greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. But students, one thing you have to remember, these three angles, if you will add that, it will get 180 degree. Remember that very carefully. Don't make a 10 degree, 10 degree, 10 degree. Is it possible? No. That means it is for the angle sum property you will study in the higher class. Angle sum property with you can understand that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree always. Did you understand, friends? So don't be confusion about that, friends. Don't make that about that less or like that. You don't be that must be you want to add that it should come 180 degree. Okay, friends. Next we will discuss about that. What is the right angle triangle? Okay. Okay, friends. Now we will see about that. What is the right angle triangle? So right angle triangle means what? You know very well. What is the right angle? Right angle means 90 degree. So if a triangle having one of its angle is 90 degree, then we can say it is a right angle triangle. There are three angles are there. Okay, very carefully remember, students. Very important things. A triangle having three angles. One of the angle is 90 degree. Only one angle, because it is not possible two 90 degree. Two right angle is not possible of a triangle. Okay, because the sum of the, according to that angle sum property, sum of the three angles is 180 degree. So one angle, if the two angles if 90 degree, then other remaining will become 0. So not possible for a 0 angle. So for that, two right angle is not possible of a triangle. So carefully remember, friends, what is the right angle triangle? Now if a triangle having one of its angle is 90 degree, only one angle, if 90 degree, then compulsory we can say that is a right angle triangle, and the other remaining two angles is what type of a acute angle. Okay, so see, students, definition: a triangle having one of its angle as a right angle, that is 90 degree, is called right angle triangle. Other students, PQR is a triangle. This is 90 degree, one of angle, and this may be 60 degree. This is 30 degree. So one of the three angles, one of the angle is a right angle or 90 degree. That is called as a right angle triangle. Okay, Q is equal to 90 degree. Same line, friends, obtuse angle triangle. That is the third types of angles. A triangle having one of the angle is a obtuse angle. That means how like right angle? Same like obtuse angle means what is that? The angle should lie between means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Observe here friends. Here this angle, one of the angle is 120 degree. That what is that? That is called as a obtuse angle. That means that angle more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So that's why this triangle is called as a obtuse angle triangle. Okay students, I hope you have understood about the classification of the triangles based on the sides and also classification of the triangles based on the angles. Okay, you should remember all the definition, all the terms related to this types of classification of the triangles and learn it. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.